to my channel, A Mom with a Camera. So for people who are new here, hi, my name is Akila R. Unitan and I post a video every week without fail. And please do subscribe to my channel, it will mean the world to me. And this video is really special. And as the title suggests, you guys know what I'm going to do today. And they're really scared and freaked out. So this is my dad and mom. And yes, I'm going to test them for who knows me better. Okay, are you guys prepared? Prepared or not? No. So they have no idea what I'm going to ask them. And they were hesitant on doing this video, but I was like, come, let's have some fun and let me see who knows me. So, okay, you have to speak louder, okay? They won't be able to hear you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I have prepared my questions and ഈ ബുക്കിൽ ആൻസർ എഴുതിക്കോ. അച്ഛൻ ഈ ബുക്കിൽ ആൻസർ എഴുതിക്കോ. ഞാൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്കും. Each one write your answer here and I'll see who is right and who is wrong. Okay? Okay, even Nila wants the book. Abuka book. അവൾക്ക് ഒരു പെണ്ണും കൊടുക്കാം. എന്താ? കുഞ്ഞും പെണ്ണെടുത്തോ. So Nila is also joining us. Let me see if she knows me. She okay, wait. അല്ല ഞാൻ ബുക്ക് കൊടുക്കട്ടെ. I will tear the page. കുഞ്ഞ് book. So let me see. Okay? Are you ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Okay, okay. What is my favorite color? Right down. She knows the answer. She's asking, yes, I know. Is that my favorite color? ഏതെങ്കിലും എഴുതിക്കോ. ഞാൻ റീസെന്റ് പറഞ്ഞ സാധനം എന്റെ പെണ്ണ് എഴുതുന്നില്ലേ. റീസെന്റ് അമ്മയും അച്ഛന് my dad is really colorblind. So, but recently I told you to buy this color and one more clue. Okay, go.
Golden yellow color.
Oh, mummy is like into the color, ripe in mango color, yellow. Achin also blue/golden yellow color. So absolutely right. It's actually mustard yellow, but I'll give it to them. This is the one I was giving you a hint. I'm wearing it. Okay, both gets one point.
Ripe and mango yellow.
Oh, mommy is like full on. You get the point.
You are always right.
Yeah, you are always right. So 1 point each. What is my 12th standard mark? No idea.
80%.
Somewhere close by. You should not tell it loud. Achin might copy you.
So, I have
Achin is playing it very smart.
no.
No copying.
No copy. Amma wrote 80%. She wrote 80% and then she wrote no 79.8. Amma's book India. Archan is very smart. She's like distinction. First class, first distinction. So I'll give it to them. Should I give it? Edhu number edha Raja. Annala areytullo.
79.
From me.
It's actually 83%, but ആർക്ക് മാർക്ക് കൊടുക്കണം ഇതിന് എനിക്ക് അറിയത്തില്ല. അമ്മ അത് സ്ക്രാച്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അമ്മ 83 നോക്കിയാൽ നോക്ക് so cute. Okay, anyway, I will give it to both of them because they were really close, so it's fine. Okay, this is going to be fun. Who is my best friend? At least name one of them. Pennu varikirthu kunya book vechadu kunya allige amma pen edukku book vechadu. Name at least one of them. Even I am confused, so let me see who is my best friend. Let my parents decide. I have a lot of friends, so let me see. I think they would have written one list of names. So Amma, Ara. So Amma has written Ammu/Varsha/Sharat. Over here, Amma has written Amrita/Varsha. I'm going to give it to both of them because they're right. So 1 point each. Not bad. You guys know my friends. Okay. Which is my favorite chart item? Acha. Chart item. Yeda my favorite.
പേര് എനിക്കറിയില്ല. ഒരു ചാട്ടാണ്.
Para. Amma's all excited because it's food. Amma knows. Chart item acha.
അതായത് പേര് എനിക്കറിയില്ല.
So I will tell you that. Pani puri.
Amma wants to win, so she's telling Acha, sorry, you don't get a point here.
Okay.
Amma has taken over.
Anyway, she gets no.
Yeah, Amma gets 1 point. Amma wants to win, so she ahead itself she went and told of the name. Oh man. Okay, do I prefer the beach or the mountain? Acha, either I'm looking at her. Do I prefer the beach or the mountain? Correct. Both are right. They have written beach. Not bad. Huh. Which is my favorite dance style? Should I name some of the dance style?
Yeah.
Okay. There is classical dance, Bharatanatyam. There is Bollywood. There is salsa. There is belly dance. There is so many other things. So you can choose one of them. Oh, Achal is written classical, but you are wrong.
No,
Achal.
classical and with cinematic.
Classical and cinematic, and Amma has written Bollywood and Western. I'm very confused whom to give it to, but Amma is right because you have written Bharatanatyam also. Because I like Bollywood more. So Acha, come on, you can do it. Come on, energy. Okay, Mummy's all happy. Okay, favorite food. Like you have to name a dish. Like, is it biryani? Is it pizza? Is it burger? Is it something like that? Pasta? Then optional and answer under. So I'm giving it very, very simple for them. രണ്ട് പേർക്ക് തെറ്റി ബർഗർ ആണോ അല്ല
Pizza.
ഇപ്പൊ എഴുതാൻ ഒക്കത്തില്ല Amma is still writing down the answer.
No.
Thinking she'll get the point.
No, she likes always a burger only.
I love pizza. രണ്ട് പേർക്ക് തെറ്റി 0 points. What is my first salary?
Already പറയാം.
പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്
You are not told us.
Huh? No, I have told my first salary.
Yeah.
Come on, calculate. First salary.
See this one.
Nothing hard. Okay, Achal is written, Amma is written 15,000, Achal is written 25k. It was actually 22k. Amma is scratching and she's writing again. I'll give it to Achal. It is close by, so 1 point to Achal.
Always girls will give only acha.
Oh. No, Achal's number is close by.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Look at mommy. Okay, it's okay. Who is my favorite Bollywood actor? Ara and my favorite Bollywood actor. You can name like I have many. One who can act well, one who can, I just like him. So if you name any one of them, good to go. Ready? Acha, come on. Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan. 1 point here. I just like Salman Khan because I like Salman Khan, but if it's in acting wise, I really like Amir Khan. But mummy gets the point here. Good. It's not that I don't like Shah Rukh Khan. I like Shah Rukh Khan also, but I don't know why I like Salman Khan. Favorite Malayalam actor, youth version. Youth. രണ്ട്. If you get any one of their names, you get points. കുഞ്ഞ ABCD ഇവിടെ.
പേര് ഓർക്കുന്നില്ല.
പറ. Malayalam actor, youth. Come on, mummy. There's so many.
Okay.
You write if you're not getting the name, at least some description or some movies you watched of his. I have 2. Dulquer Salman
And Fasil Khan.
Fahad Fasil. Yes, both of them get it right. Both my favorite actors are Fahad Fasil and Dulquer Salman. So both of them get a point. Yay! Good.
Ah.
Okay, what would I be if I was not a software engineer? Very easy. Come on. If I was not a software engineer, what would I be? Not what you want me to be. that is totally different. You want me to be a doctor, right?
Yeah.
So, tell me. Amma gets the point. But yeah, correct. But Arjun didn't write the profession properly. My daughter is calling my dad Kochata because my mom calls him Kochata. So Arjun has written dancer/celebrity. Amma gets 1 point because she was more precise on what I really wanted to become. I wanted to be an actress. പക്ഷേ இந்த അമ്മ അച്ഛനും അമ്മ എന്നെ അലൗ ചെയ്യാത്തെ. It's not that they didn't allow, they're allowing me right now. If at all I get an opportunity, I think they would allow me.
പിന്നെ അതൊക്കെ
Oh, the husband should
Husband is allowing.
he can do.
Now you can decide whatever you want.
So they wanted my, I had to study and get a job and then do whatever you want. So that is what is happening right now. Okay. How many followers do I have on Instagram?
Oh. It's very difficult to do.
Yeah. കുഞ്ഞു പറ
1 lakh.
അത് ഏത് 1 lakh.
It is much.
Oh, Amma gets 1 more point. She's like on spot. Did you learn? Did you go check my profile in the morning? Amma.
Yeah.
Kannadi.
Kannadi. That's okay tomorrow.
Oh. So Amuma is right. She has written 89.5 exact. It was 90. It's reducing. Please follow me on Instagram. So anyways.
1 lakh I put now.
1 lakh hour right, but Amma is very close and precise. So Amma gets a point. 89.5. Absolutely right. Okay. Do I prefer driving or riding? Do I like driving the car or riding the bike?
Right.
Riding the bike.
Mummy gets 1 point. I love riding the bike more than driving the car. No, you have allowed me. I got. So first thing they got me also is a bike, and that was how I got the bike. 10th pass आया distinction ओडे bike किट्टू. Okay? किट्टिया. 12th pass आया distinction ओडे किट्टू. After 12th, finally I got a bike, and yeah, that's how I got the bike. And correct. And okay, that's it for my questions. And I think obvious winner is Amma. I will count the points and add it, and I will put it here. Mummy, you won. Yay.
The Mummy thing means I will.
Yeah. Oh. Angana. Okay. So Achan also won, and so Mummy, you will get a special prize from me. I shall cook for you. One day rest for you. I shall cook and
Gone.
give you rest for one day. I
One
think.
day gone.
Acha, you will help me. Achan will help me out in cooking, and that one day will be a weekend, obviously, and I shall help you guys. Okay, and that is your treat. I think that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want more such videos with my mom and dad, please comment below, and I shall definitely do it. So do let me know fast, because I'm here only for a month and I will be leaving back to Kerala. So if you want any special videos with my parents, do let me know. And that,
അവർക്ക് ബോറടിക്കുകയാണ്.
no, they didn't get bored.
No more video with your parents, please. You will get a comment.
No, nothing like that. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. We really loved and enjoyed shooting this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.